In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from UniCredit application. In order to do this, you can see right here that I have this article that can help us with this. According to UniCredit, you can transfer between personal accounts. To do so, click on the Payments button in the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen and then select the Transfer Between My Accounts. From the drop-down menu, you can select your personal account that you wish to order funds from, and the second drop-down menu, your account onto which to receive the amount. Enter the details of your transfer, such as the payment reason, date of payment, and the likes. After that, review the actual options and information that you've inputted there. Now to complete the transfer, press Pay before you have the option to save the transaction as a template to be used for future payments. You can also make a payment to a new beneficiary by clicking on Payments, selecting Transfer, and selecting your personal account from which to order funds. Enter the IBAN of the beneficiary's account, enter their details, and perform a final review before sending out. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.